G'day guys, 2006 Hino. This car had a few issues. They they ran out of fuel, and this is a twist and pop hand primer. You can also vacuum here. Now this car came in misfiring, and there is a harness in here that fails. We did one years ago. I don't think it was this truck though, but on this one, all the insulation inside here for the harness, it's like a solid state type rubber. It all started crumbling, and basically there was corrosion in there. So there's a rubber seal right at the back. I'm not going to open it again because I got it right. Okay. The truck's fixed. It would start misfiring and putting the check engine light on after about 15 or 10 minutes. Now also this car's charging 30 volts intermittently. Now it had a bad connection here, but if you clean up the alternator, there's a little plug diagram here with S, I, G and L. Okay. With the truck running, with the ignition off, there needs to be power at S. With the ignition on, there needs to be power at S and IG. This particular truck has them on all three. Don't ask me why. Everything's covered in mud, but right now, it's all sorted. So it would turn on the battery light, the water and the fuel filter drain light, and the overheat warning light. Sorted.